Are you struggling with weight loss because of unhealthy snacking habits? It's time to rethink our relationship with snacks. No, they're not the villains of your weight loss story. In fact, when chosen wisely, they can become your allies. Healthy snacks can fuel your body, keep your metabolism humming, and curb those pesky hunger pangs that often lead to overeating. So let's embark on this journey of discovery together. And remember, snacking doesn't have to be your enemy when it comes to shedding those extra pounds. Let's kick things off with some low-calorie, nutrient-packed snacks that will satisfy your cravings without sabotaging your goals. First in line, we've got apple slices with peanut butter. Think of it as a dynamic duo in the world of healthy snacking. Apples, being rich in fiber and packed with antioxidants, not only give you that satisfying crunch, but also work wonders for your health. And let's not forget about the peanut butter. It's not just a creamy delight, it's a protein powerhouse with a healthy dose of fats that can keep you feeling full and energized. This is the perfect sweet and savory combo to keep your hunger at bay. Next, we're stepping up our game with a Greek yogurt parfait. This isn't just any ordinary parfait. It's a blend of creamy Greek yogurt, fresh, succulent berries, and a sprinkle of granola. It's like a symphony of flavors and textures in your mouth. The Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of protein, while the berries provide a burst of antioxidants. And that granola? It adds the perfect crunch that makes this snack not only healthy but also fun to eat. But what if you're in the mood for something crunchy and refreshing? Don't worry, we've got you covered with cucumber slices paired with hummus. Cucumbers, with their high water content, are incredibly hydrating and low in calories. And when you pair them with hummus, you're adding a creamy, protein-rich element that elevates this snack to a whole new level. It's the perfect combination of refreshing and satisfying. And of course, we can't forget about the classic veggie sticks. Carrots, celery, and bell peppers make such a colorful and crunchy trio. You can dip them into your favorite hummus or guacamole for an added flavor punch. These veggies are not just about the crunch, they're loaded with vitamins and minerals that your body will thank you for. Remember, hydration is key when it comes to healthy snacking. So pair these delicious bites with plenty of water to stay well hydrated and support your body's natural detoxification process. And there you have it, folks. A delicious array of healthy snacks to keep you on track with your weight loss goals. So which of these snacks has caught your fancy? Are you ready to incorporate them into your daily routine and take a step closer to your health goals? Remember, the journey to being fit and fabulous is all about making smart, healthy choices. And with these snack options, you're already on the right track. Which snack are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your experiences and thoughts as you embark on this journey towards healthier snacking. Remember, every step you take, every choice you make, brings you closer to your goal. And as you try these mouth-watering snacks, don't forget the importance of hydration. Drinking plenty of water not only keeps you hydrated, but also helps you feel full, aids digestion, and supports your body's natural detoxification process. So, pair your snacks with a glass of water for an extra health boost. Your body will thank you. Remember, losing weight isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. It's about making choices today that your future self will thank you for. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on living your healthiest, happiest life. Until next time, stay fit and fabulous.